Here is what I'm wearing today. I like this top with the skirt, and I put the shirt over the top because I think it makes for a nice layering piece so that I won't get cold. This top and the skirt, I believe both are simplicity patterns, and the shirt pattern I believe is a new look pattern if I'm not mistaken. I love the front pockets on the skirt, and I love the gathers around the waistband. I've had this nail polish on for about 4 days, and I am really happy with it. It is called Gain Momentum by Sally Hansen. I love a white nail. This one is called Peeps White. I shared this one last week. It's called In a Blush. I think this would be cute. It's called More Kisses Please. So yeah, I'm excited about these colors. I think they're really, really nice. I like getting places early, but sometimes getting places early does not work in your favor. So I'm at a park meeting up with my friends. We get together like once a week, and we usually meet for like an hour and a half. And I'm here early because this park gets busy. And parking is difficult. Like right now, I'm parked on the street instead of in the parking lot because the parking spaces in the parking lot were all filled in. So I was like, okay, I'll just park on the street. I have a book. I'll get there early, read my book, relax. And that way, when it's time to get together, I'll be good to go, right? So I'm sitting here and rain is in the forecast. And it's looking really cloudy and kind of gloomy. And we keep a group text. I don't know if I said that. We keep a group text or message thing going. Someone sent a message a few minutes ago while I'm sitting here. And they're like, are we meeting today? I'm like, oh my gosh, please don't tell me we're not meeting today. But I do feel like I tapped my glasses and it started playing something in my ear. I need to turn that off because that's going to be distracting. I have the Meta glasses that play whatever's on your phone. You can hear it through your glasses. So anyway, I'm hoping that we are still getting together, because I think if we weren't, we would have received a message before the time that it is, because it's almost time for us to get together. So anyway, that's what I wanted to come and just fill you in on. And I'm looking forward to working out because I didn't get to work out with the group last week because I was out of town. Okay, so we got to hang out for an hour and I ran back to my car because guess what? It started raining. Oh, I'm all out of breath, but at least we did get an hour in. This is what I'm wearing to the movie theater. This is a sweatshirt that my husband picked up from Amazon. It's a Fruit of the Loom sweatshirt. He said they had a lot of different colors, and I really like this color. And then these are the jeans that I purchased from Free People. And then I just have on some boots. So yeah, we're about to go and hang out for the evening.
So the Cheetos popcorn comes in one size, it's a small bag, and then that one can go in a small, medium, or large bag if you guys like it.
But this is like cheese, and then one is spicy.
Yeah, that's the spicy one.
Oh,
Because that's hot Cheetos. That one's like the regular cheesy Cheetos popcorn.
Oh, okay.
We have a deal with like a popcorn slushy or something like that.
We have like combos, but like they were
We got the pretzel.
Yeah, if you guys don't like it, we get regular popcorn too.
Okay. Can we have, if I got a pretzel, could I have jalapenos on the side?
Yeah, absolutely, I can chance. Jalapenos are free too now. So.
Oh, really? Okay.
And for the pretzel, do you want buttered and salted?
Medium.
Can you just get salt, no butter?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, I'll do that.
Sure. Give me 1 second. You mind if I throw it on? That way I
No, I don't mind.
I'll throw it in really fast.
So we want to mix it.
They have bites instead of sticks?
They have the pretzel, super pretzel.
I like this. I kind of like this. Trying the cheesy popcorn and the hot and spicy popcorn. I think I'm gonna get the hot and spicy popcorn.
And the pretzel.
And pretzel. I think that might be a lot, huh?
Yeah.
I guess if I don't eat it, I can take it home.
thrown in with the popcorn.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Same here. They have hot Cheetos in mixed with the popcorn.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. So I got a pretzel with jalapenos. I decided not to get the popcorn, and then my husband got nachos. He gave them two though, unless it's just one big one.
Split it up.
Split it up, one and split it up. My pretzel is still cooking, so I'm waiting on that, and then we can go and sit down.
Hey, Clint, check it out. Green going into my backyard and I found this plaque of gold. It's green. What's going on with you? Oh, me. I'm getting some new installs done with American Vision windows. They're covering the taxes on all new windows and doors, and the installation's free. What? This March, we'll pay the taxes on all windows and doors.
So we're at the sporting goods store because I want a jump rope. I want to have a jump rope at home, and we actually had some jump ropes, but we don't know what we did with them. So we're coming to pick up some more, and then my husband wants to look at some shoes, some Adidas. So, should I look at the jump ropes while you look at the shoes, or you want to just go together? All right. Did y'all hear that? He said, I want you by my side in case you didn't hear it. Isn't that sweet? I actually like these Birkenstocks. Here's some more different shoes, casual like sandals. This is a pretty color. Oh, it actually kind of looks like my nail polish. He's looking at Sambas. Look at this one.
You like these?
I do.
I would have these on today like that.
Yeah, they will match. You guys, we kind of dressed alike today. Same colors at least, in the same sweatshirt.
Those aren't Sambas though. They feel
The blue is pretty.
These are.
You know, I like this too. 'Cause I like neutral colors.
Mhm.
Do you like those blue ones?
I do. I like
I think
these
they're
too.
cool. Yeah, I do too. Those are cute.
You like these? Waited and then a speedboat. No, this is just a, it's up to you.
Okay, I'll just get this one in. I just want it to be black handles for sure. I don't want anything light that might get dirty or anything. I'll just grab this one. That works. That's it. That's all I wanted. He didn't end up getting any shoes because they actually sold out of the ones he really wanted. All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right. Time to check out. It started back raining after we came out of the sporting goods store, so I put my coat over my head because I didn't have an umbrella. And now we're at Johnny Carino's. We've been here one other time before, and I remember getting pasta where you kind of create your own, if I'm not mistaken, because it was a while ago when we were here. But I think that's what I'll probably do again, is just create my own little pasta with the pasta that I want and the sauce that I want. But I cannot wait to eat because all I've had is that pretzel, and I had it with some jalapenos, so it was good. But now I'm ready to eat something like for real. She ready for us? Okay. Our table may be ready. I don't know. So I decided to come and sit down while my husband spoke to the hostess. And she's walking around. She looks like she's looking for a place for us to sit. Okay, I guess she's not ready yet. Okay, so just for two. Is she ready? Oh, right this way, okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. That didn't take long at all. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. They have a chocolate cake on the menu, and it says 990 calories. I was like, woo, because I love cake. And once I saw the calories, I was like, oh, I better not do that. That's a lot. That's a lot of calories. Oh, I wonder, you know what? Maybe I'll get the create your own, and then I'll have them add mushrooms. I think I'll do that. That's it. That's what I'm doing. You know what you're gonna have?
Yeah, I'm gonna pasta cereal.
Okay. Yeah, we're ready. She can come back now. I think I'm ready.
You ready? You got it.
Okay. May I do the penne pasta with the spicy marinara, and then can you add mushrooms on top and no cheese? Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'd like to
Ooh, that's gonna be so good, y'all. Thank you so much. They forgot our bread we were supposed to get before our food. All right. This looks good. Oh, yeah, somebody's waiting.
right there.
Mm-hmm. Is this the highest level?
I've just already been over here.
We can always park outside too.
I know, I didn't see anywhere out there, that's why I came in here. I mean, but I didn't look too hard, you know.
Yeah, because it goes around the whole thing. And then there's more than one garage too on the other side by the restaurants. We finally found a parking spot. We're actually at a mall. My husband is still interested in picking up some Adidas, and so he looked online and found out that they have some here at this mall, which is the Irvine Spectrum mall. This mall is so nice. So yeah, that's what we're doing, hanging out. We had a good dinner last night. We enjoyed our food, and this morning I got up and I even did a little jump roping, so that was cool too. It's so packed here. I don't know what's going on. It's a Sunday, but it is really busy. I hear some music, so I don't know, maybe somebody or some group is here performing. I don't know. Or maybe the music is coming from a restaurant. Not sure. I put my sunglasses on. My husband stopped. I don't know what he's doing. We don't remember where the Adidas store is, so maybe he's looking to figure out where it is. But I don't mind just walking around seeing what else is out here. Every time I come out here, it's a new store, like something I never knew was here before. I'm like, oh, when did they put this out here? Oops.
Welcome in, guys. How we doing?
Hi, we're good. Hello? Hi. We just made it to the Irvine Spectrum looking for some Adidas. Yep. It's so nice out here. Yep. Yeah, it is a little chilly today. They had them, y'all, so I'm sure that makes him really happy.
Hearing you pray in the evenings, watch you sing in church on a Sunday morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Been finding your strength in the waiting. Been fighting, girl, and you're overcoming. You're overcoming. And I'm gonna be by your side.
We didn't buy anything else besides these shoes, but we just walked around, and it was cool looking at the different clothing items that were in the different stores. So we enjoyed our day, but I am so ready to get home. We just made one little stop. My husband ran into one other store, and then we're actually going home for real. My husband came home the other day from a work event, and they had given him all these extra snacks, all these crackers. It's a variety pack of crackers, and I'm going somewhere today, and I'm going to take this to them because I think the people at this particular place could use these more than we can. We'll probably not go through those crackers in enough time before they probably will start to get bad. I am wearing a dress today that I made, I think it was last year, but I believe it's my first time actually wearing it for real. So when I get where I'm going, I will show you my outfit of the day. Okay, let me put all my stuff down. The dress is made in knit. It's a knit cotton, and it's very comfortable. And I did put the little red trim around the bottom. So yeah, here we go. It has been 7 whole days, and this polish is still on. I am really happy with this polish. So what I did was I did put a base coat on, and then I did put on 2 coats of the color, and then after I did the color, I put on a top coat. So I think the base coat plus the top coat is the trick.